today, let's start with chapter number 6, Eating Habits of Animals. In this chapter, we will study about some eating habits of animals, like your food. What is food? Food is the basic necessity. It is our basic necessity of life. We need food to live. What it gives us? It gives us energy to work, to play, and to do our. We need food for life. It gives us energy to work and to play. Plants can prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Animals cannot prepare their own food. They depend on plants or other animals for their food requirement. जो एनिमल्स जो होते हैं वो अपना खाना अपना आप नहीं बना सकते, ये किस पे डिपेंड होते हैं? प्लांट्स पे डिपेंड होते हैं. एंड प्लांट्स मेक देयर ओन फूड बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस. जो प्रोसेस होता है फोटोसिंथेसिस का, किसके प्रेजेंस में बनाते हैं ये जो खाना अपना? इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ एयर, वाटर एंड सन. नाउ फीडिंग हैबिट्स ऑफ एनिमल्स. According to their feeding habits, we have divided animals into different types. First is herbivores. What are herbivores animals? Animals that eat plants. Plant eaters होते हैं, they are known as herbivores. Like your cow, horse. What are these? These are your herbivore animals. Animals that eat only plants, fruits and vegetables. For example, cow, buffalo, goat, giraffe, zebra, monkey, rabbit. All are these herbivores animals. Next is your carnivorous animals, animals that eat flesh of other animals like lion, tiger. What are these? These are carnivorous animals. Animals which eat flesh of other animals. Like your lion, tiger, wolf, crocodile. What are these? These all are the example of carnivores animal. Next is omnivores, animals that eat plants and animals both. जो दोनों को खाते हैं, plants को भी animals को भी, they are known as omnivores. Next example is men. Now, animals which eat both plants and slash of other animals like your bear, crow, men. These all are the example of omnivores. Next is scavenger. What are scavengers? Scavengers are known as the cleanser of environment. ये environment को clean करते हैं. These are the animals that eat dead animals and plants. Scavengers, animals which eat flesh of dead and decaying animals like vulture, hyena, jackal. They keep our environment clean by eating the dead remains. What they do, they keep our environment clean by eating. ये क्या करता है? जो dead animals को खाके हमारे environment को क्या करता है? Clean करता है. Next is how animal eat food. Animals खाना कैसे खाते हैं? Animals eating habits depend upon the type of food they eat. Some are plant taking, some are chewing. देखा ना आपने? खाओ जिन्हें हम ruminants कहते हैं, उनका पूरे टाइम मुंह चलता रहता है. They are known as ruminants. Plant eating animals that have sharp and broad biting front teeth which help them to bite grass and leaves. From these teeth they easily bite the tree. Grasses और क्या करते हैं? अपने leaves को bite करते हैं. They also have strong and flat grinding teeth. With the help of these type of teeth, they chew the food properly. ये खाने को अच्छे से चबा सकते. Next is cut chewing animal, those who are known as ruminants. First swallow the plant part quickly. Later on, they bring the food back to their mouth to chew it properly and swell. फिर उसको निगल लेते हैं. For example, your buffalo, sheep, camel, giraffe. What are these? These are ruminants. They are known as ruminants. Next is groin. Like your animals, like your rat, rabbit, squirrel. What they have very sharp, long front teeth to bite into seeds foods. ठीक है? What they do, they bite their food repeatedly with front teeth. ये food को repeatedly bite करते हैं किससे? Front teeth से. That is known as groin. Now most of the monkey are herbivores, but many of them are omnivores. ज़्यादातर तो होते हैं herbivores, लेकिन most of them are omnivores. They eat fruits, leaves, flowers. ठीक है? ये fruits खाते हैं, leaves खाते हैं, flowers खाते हैं, insect खाते हैं और स्मॉल बर्ड्स को खा। नेक्स्ट इज योर एलिफेंट दैट हैव लार्ज ट्रंक, इट्स हेल्प टू ईट फ्लावर एंड ड्रिंक मिल्क। विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस ट्रंक, जिसकी लार्ज ट्रंक होती है, what they do, they drink and eat food. They use their trunk to spray water, just like a fountain, into the mouth, or drink water and move and over their bodies for bath. और वो अपने ऊपर ऐसे करके पानी छोड़ता है और उससे क्या करता है, बात करता है with the help of its trunk. Giraffe has a long neck which has it to eat from the higher branches of, जो higher branches होते हैं, so easily क्या करता है, leaves को, fruits को खा लेता है. Next is flesh eating animal. And the tallest mammal on the earth is, जो सबसे tallest mammal है, that is your giraffe only. Next is flesh eating animals, जिन्हें हम carnivores कहते हैं. They have very sharp pointed teeth which help them in tearing flesh of their prey. They also have strong grinding teeth. इनके कैसे teeth होते हैं? They have strong grinding teeth at the back of their mouth and they chew meat and bones. With the help of that teeth, what they chew meat and bones. Next is animals that swallow whole. There are some animals, what they do, they swallow their whole food. Some flesh-eating animals like frog, snake, lizard, caimans, they have no teeth. They swallow their whole food at once. What they do, they swallow their food at once. एक ही टाइम पे वो अपने फूड को swallow कर लेते हैं, निगली, like a frog, lizard and snake. Now, animals eating liquid food. There are many animals that eat liquid food, like some insect like honeybee, mosquito, butterfly. They survive on liquid diet. What they do, they survive on liquid diet and they do not have teeth. इनके पास किसी भी तरीके के teeth नहीं होते to chew the food. Instead, they have long tube. इनके पास long tube है to suck the liquid food. जिससे क्या करते हैं? Liquid food को suck करते हैं. Lichens have hundreds of tiny sharp teeth to cut throughout the skin of animals. They stick to the bodies of animals to suck their blood. What they stick? They stick to the bodies of animal and they suck their blood. Next is pet and domestic animals. Pet animals that are kept at home और domestic animal, इनको उनके शेड, देखिए ना, शेड बना देते हैं काऊ के, हॉर्स के स्टेबल बना देते हैं. तो these are the domestic animals. We must give enough nutritious food to our domestic animal as they do lot of work for us. They need energy to do physical labor. What they need? They need energy. Other than feeding a domestic animal with grass and leaves, we should also serve rice, grains, barley, oats and oilseed cake. हमें क्या करना है? इसके साथ साथ what we should give? We should rice, grains, barley, oats, oilseed, we should give them. Next is such food provide them energy to do work and stay healthy. Along with food, we must give them water and clean mess. Clean shelter, उनका जो shelter होता है उसको regularly clean करना चाहिए. And we should be kind to them and take good care of their health. हमें kind रहना और उनकी health की अच्छी care करें. Next topic is food chain. Food chain shows all living things are dependent on each other for this. Now, every living thing, they're dependent upon each other for this. Whether they're plants, whether animals or human, all are dependent upon each other. Like आप देखो, how plants are dependent upon animals, what animals are giving them, या human beings are giving them, they're giving them carbon dioxide. And what they are giving to us, they are giving to us, that is your oxygen, which is very important. It shows that all living things get their food by eating other living things, like a chain in plants and animals form, it is called food chain. A plant is always at the beginning of the food chain और animals depend on plant. Plant जो होंगे आपके वो हमेशा beginning पे होंगे और जो आपके animals होते हैं वो किस पे depend होते हैं? Plants for their food too. Now, chapter has been completed. In this chapter, I have told you about different animals. We have studied about herbivores, animals, carnivores, omnivores, scavengers. Then upon their eating habit, we have also differentiate different animals like plant eating animals, flesh eating animals, कुछ growing करते हैं, कुछ swallowing करते हैं, ठीक है? Some are the animals that eat cud, like cutting like cow, buffalo, उनका मुंह चलता रहता है. So these are the animals, those who are known as ruminants. Then I have told you about the food chain. Like start with the exercise now. First is tick the correct option. Dash make their own food. Birds, human being, plants. Plants, they make their own food. Scavengers are animals that live on dash animals. That lives on dead animals. Eagles eat dash animal. कैसे animals को खाता है? Eagle strong, big या फिर small है. ठीक है, it's eat small animal. All animals need care and protection. Late या harm, they need protection. Chain that plants and animals form. उसे क्या बोला जाता है? It is known as food chain. Next is fill in the blanks. Dash is an omnivore. आप लिख सकते हो human being या man. That swallow its food as a whole. कौन swallow करता है? That sucks its food. Dash start a food chain. Who start the food chain? Plants. Dash has a long sticky tongue. किसकी होती है आपकी? So, next is name them. Ruminate. Cow. Animal with suck nectar. You may write butterfly. And omnivore. Men. Animal which laps milk. बहुत सारे हैं. Dog, cat. The animals with a trunk. कौन सा आदमी की ट्रंक होती है? Elephant. Now name an animal which will eat given below things. ठीक है, यहाँ पे आपको कुछ चीज दी हुई है. Cow, sugarcane, elephant, lion, these are the animals that eat the following things given below. Now write T for true and F for false statement. First is all animals need food to grow. It's true. Different animals eat same food. False. Different animals eat different. We must provide enough food to our domestic animal. It's true. All animals depend on plants. False. सारे animals depend नहीं होते. We should not kind to animals. False. We should kind to animals. Answer the following question. Differentiate between herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. What are herbivores? Animals that eat plants are known as herbivores. You can give two to three examples. Carnivores, animals that eat flesh of other animals, are known as carnivores. Omnivores are the animals that eat plants and animals, both plants and animals. What is chewing the cud? Chewing the cud क्या होता है? When animals, what they do, they eat the food. First they take the food inside their stomach and then they bring the food all the time and they chew their food. And what they are known as ruminants. Why do butterfly and honeybee have long tube-like tongue to suck the nectar? What is a food chain? A food chain is a chain that tells us that all plants and animals, they are interrelated to each. Why do animals need food? Why do animals need food? They need food to grow and to carry the loads. Now our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood the chapter. That's all for today. Thank you.